How to get clients for digital marketing agency in 2023. As a business owner, you understand the importance of acquiring new clients for growth and success. But let's face it, finding new clients can be a daunting task. But don't worry, I'm here to help you. Welcome to our exciting tutorial on taking your digital marketing agency to the next level with new clients. In this video, I will reveal some powerful and practical strategies that have been proven to work repeatedly in attracting and retaining new clients for digital marketing agency. Then, I will take you through the steps to identifying your target market, building a robust online presence, networking and referral marketing, offering free consultations, and providing exceptional service. By the end of this video, you will have a clear and actionable plan to start acquiring new clients and taking your digital marketing agency to the next level of success. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn some valuable insights that will transform your business. The first step in acquiring new clients is to identify your target market. Knowing your ideal clients is crucial for creating effective marketing strategies. By understanding the characteristics of your target market, such as industry, size, location, and budget, you can tailor your marketing efforts to reach and engage with them effectively. For example, if your agency specializes in B2B marketing, targeting small businesses in a specific region will be a more practical approach than targeting consumers. By clearly defining your target market, you can create targeted messaging that resonates with potential clients and increase their chances of becoming paying customers. The next thing to do is to build a robust online presence. In today's digital age, a solid online presence is crucial for attracting new clients. Your website is often the first point of contact that potential clients have with your agency, so it must have a good impression. Ensure your website is professional, easy to navigate, and optimized for search engines. Utilize social media platforms to connect with potential clients and showcase your agency's expertise. Create valuable content such as blog posts, infographics, and case studies to demonstrate your knowledge and skills. By having a strong online presence, you can establish yourself as a reputable and trustworthy agency and increase the chance of potential clients reaching out to you. Another strategy is to use networking and referral marketing. Networking and referral marketing are powerful strategies for acquiring new clients. Attend industry events and conferences and connect with other business owners and professionals. Leverage your current clients by asking them for referrals and offering incentives for any new clients they bring in. Building relationships with other business owners and professionals increase their chances of referring potential clients to you. Additionally, when current clients refer new clients to your agency, it strongly indicates that they are satisfied with your services and truly trust your ability to deliver results. Another strategy to get clients for your digital marketing agency in 2023 is offering free consultations. Offering free consultations is a great way to attract new clients. During the consultation, you can demonstrate your expertise, address any concern they may have, and discuss potential solutions for their business. This strategy also presents an excellent opportunity to build trust and establish a relationship with the potential clients. By providing potential clients with a free consultation, you can showcase your knowledge and skills and give them a taste of what it will be like to work with your agency. Additionally, providing valuable insights during the consultation increases the chances of them becoming paying clients. Now to the final and most effective strategy, providing exceptional service. Providing outstanding service to your clients is key to retaining them and acquiring new ones. Be responsive to their needs. Consistently deliver high-quality work and go above and beyond to exceed their expectations. By providing exceptional service, you can ensure that your clients are satisfied and more likely to recommend your agencies to others. Additionally, consistently delivering high-quality work increases the chances of your clients renewing their contracts and potentially increasing their budget for your services. In conclusion, acquiring new clients is essential for the growth and success of your digital marketing agency. Following the strategies outlined in this video can effectively attract and retain new clients for your agency. By identifying your target market, building a strong online presence, networking and referral marketing, offering free consultations, and providing exceptional service, you can create a solid and sustainable plan for acquiring new clients. Always keep your target market in mind and tailor your efforts accordingly. Use your online presence to showcase your expertise and establish trust with potential clients. Utilize networking and referral marketing to build relationships and gain new clients through word of mouth. And always strive to provide exceptional service to retain your current clients and attract new ones. This video has provided valuable insights and inspiration to help you acquire new clients for your digital marketing agency. So go ahead and share so others can gain value. Thank you for watching.